The ingredients are this will make the chicken absorb the marinade better. For the marinade, in a bowl, put some soy sauce, three tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Mix it well. Also add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We'll also add some ground black peppercorn and 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Pour the marinade over the chicken, and you may use a pastry brush to coat the chicken very well. Arrange the chicken skin side up and cover the container. Place the chicken on the fridge. Keep it there overnight. The following morning, take the chicken out of the fridge. And this is how it looks like. Heat up some water. While waiting, we prepare the steamer. Heat up the bottom pan. And pour the hot water after. Cover and wait for it to boil. Transfer the marinated chicken into the steamer. When the water is boiling, we can start steaming the chicken for 15 minutes. While waiting, we prepare the sauce. Mix it thoroughly. After 15 minutes, the chicken is cooked and ready to be chopped. Let it cool and take one piece of chicken to be chopped. Chop the chicken carefully as shown below. Transfer to a plate. Baste the chicken with the sauce to enhance the flavor. Lastly, top it with some toasted sesame seeds. And this is our steamed soy chicken. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.